Hello, car audio enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we discuss the intricacies of automotive sound systems, providing you with detailed reviews, comparisons, and expert insights to enhance your auditory experience on the road. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more in-depth analyses and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences on today's discussion. In this video, we embark on a comprehensive exploration of two prominent contenders in the car subwoofer market, DS18 and Deaf Bonce. Both brands have carved out significant reputations among audiophiles and car audio enthusiasts, but how do they truly compare? We'll dissect their histories, philosophies, product ranges, performance metrics, user feedback, and pricing structures to provide you with a holistic understanding, aiding you in making an informed decision for your car audio setup. Let's start with historical background and brand philosophies. A brand's origin and guiding principles often influence its product development and market positioning. DS18 was established with a vision to revolutionize the car audio industry by offering a diverse range of products that cater to both novices and seasoned audiophiles. Originating from the United States, DS18 emphasizes innovation and inclusivity, striving to make high-quality audio equipment accessible to a broad audience. Their expansive catalog, boasting over 1,000 stock-keeping units, reflects their commitment to diversity and adaptability, ensuring that consumers with varying preferences and budgets find suitable options. In contrast, Deaf Bonce emerged from Russia with a focused mission, which is to deliver high-performance, competition-grade audio equipment. The brand's philosophy centers around precision engineering and robustness, aiming to meet the demands of audiophiles who seek unparalleled sound quality and durability. Deaf Bonce's dedication to excellence is evident in their meticulous design processes and the premium materials utilized in their products, positioning them as a formidable force in the high-end segment of the car audio market. Next, we discuss their product range and specifications. Examining the product offerings of both brands reveals their strategic approaches to meeting consumer needs. DS18's extensive lineup encompasses a wide spectrum of audio components, including subwoofers, speakers, amplifiers, and accessories. This vast selection allows customers to curate a personalized audio system tailored to their specific requirements. DS18 offers products that range from entry-level models, ideal for beginners, to advanced components designed for competitive sound systems. This versatility underscores DS18's commitment to catering to a diverse clientele, ensuring that both affordability and performance are within reach. Deaf Bonce, while offering a more concentrated product range, focuses on delivering top-tier performance. Their subwoofers are engineered for high power handling and exceptional sound clarity, characteristics that are particularly appealing to competitors and serious audiophiles. The brand's emphasis on quality over quantity is evident in their rigorous testing protocols and the use of advanced technologies to enhance audio fidelity. Deaf Bonce products are often lauded for their ability to produce deep, resonant bass tones without compromising on sound precision. Now we discuss performance metrics and sound quality. Performance is a critical factor when evaluating audio equipment, as it directly influences the listening experience. DS18 products are designed to offer a harmonious balance between cost and performance. Their subwoofers are praised for delivering robust bass responses suitable for daily use and casual listening. Users often commend DS18 for providing products that enhance the audio experience without necessitating significant financial investment. However, some feedback suggests variability in performance across different models, indicating that prospective buyers should conduct thorough research and possibly seek demonstrations to identify the model that best aligns with their expectations. Deaf Bonce subwoofers are engineered with a focus on achieving superior sound quality and durability. Users frequently highlight the brand's commitment to producing equipment that delivers powerful, clean bass, capable of sustaining high volumes without distortion. The robust construction of Deaf Bonce subwoofers contributes to their longevity, making them a preferred choice for enthusiasts who prioritize performance and reliability. It's important to note that while Deaf Bonce products are celebrated for their quality, their premium nature often comes with a higher price point. Gleaning insights from the user community provides practical perspectives on product performance and satisfaction. Within various car audio forums and social media platforms, discussions about DS18 reveal a spectrum of opinions. Some users express high satisfaction, appreciating the brand's affordability and the noticeable improvement in their audio systems. Conversely, a subset of users indicate dissatisfaction with certain products. This suggests that while DS18 offers commendable products, there may be inconsistencies in quality, reinforcing the importance of careful model selection and consultation with experienced users or professionals. Deaf Bonce garners predominantly positive feedback, with users extolling the brand's dedication to quality and performance. Comments such as, "Deaf Bonce is just as loud, way cleaner, and bulletproof," encapsulate the general sentiment of reliability and superior sound clarity. However, as with any premium product, individual experiences may vary, and it's advisable for potential buyers to consider their specific audio goals and possibly audition the equipment to ensure it meets their expectations. Now let's look at pricing considerations. Budget constraints and value propositions play pivotal roles in the decision-making process. DS18 positions itself as a budget-friendly brand, offering a wide array of products that cater to various financial plans. This affordability makes it an attractive option for individuals seeking to enhance their car audio systems without substantial monetary commitments. The brand's extensive range ensures that consumers can find products that align with their financial considerations while still achieving a satisfactory auditory experience. In contrast, Deaf Bonce is recognized as a premium brand, with products that often carry a higher price tag. This elevated cost reflects the brand's investment in high-quality materials, advanced engineering, and rigorous testing to ensure top-tier performance. For audiophiles and competitors who prioritize exceptional sound quality and durability, the investment in Deaf Bonce products is often justified by the superior auditory experience they provide. In conclusion, the decision between DS18 and Deaf Bonce hinges on individual preferences, performance expectations, and budgetary constraints. If you are an enthusiast seeking a customizable audio setup with a variety of options that won't strain your finances, DS18 offers a plethora of products that can be tailored to your needs. Their extensive range ensures that you can find components that enhance your audio experience without significant financial outlay. Conversely, if your priority is achieving the pinnacle of sound quality, and you are prepared to invest in premium equipment, Deaf Bonce stands out as a compelling choice. Their products are engineered for those who demand excellence and are unwilling to compromise on performance, making them ideal for competitive settings or for personal setups where audio fidelity is paramount. Ultimately, the optimal choice aligns with your specific audio aspirations and the unique characteristics of your vehicle's acoustics. Thank you for joining me in this comprehensive analysis of DS18 and Deaf Bonce car subwoofers. I hope this discussion has provided valuable insights to assist you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more expert tips, detailed reviews, and in-depth comparisons. I also encourage you to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below, as your input enriches our community and aids fellow enthusiasts in their audio journeys. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the music.